Rolling over your 401k into an IRA is a smart move for those looking to take more control of their retirement savings, but the process can be confusing if you don't know the key steps. Whether you're nearing retirement or just planning ahead, you probably want to ensure your wealth is protected and grows over time, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to roll over your 401k into an IRA and why it's such a crucial step in securing your future. Before we dive into the specifics, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, make sure to click the first link in the description to access a free guide showing why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs to safeguard their savings. This free guide can help you make the best decision for your financial future, especially if you're looking to diversify beyond traditional investments. Now, let's get into it. The first step to rolling over your 401k into an IRA is deciding on the type of IRA you want. The two main options are traditional IRAs and Roth IRAs. With a traditional IRA, you'll generally continue deferring taxes on your savings until you take them out in retirement. Roth IRAs, on the other hand, let you pay taxes now, but then enjoy tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement. The key difference here comes down to when you want to pay taxes. If you think your tax rate will be higher in the future, a Roth IRA might be the right choice for you. Once you've chosen the IRA type that suits your needs, it's time to contact your 401k plan administrator. This is usually done through your current employer or the provider managing your 401k. Let them know you want to roll over your 401k funds into an IRA. It's critical to ask about the specific rollover process they use because some plans may have unique requirements or paperwork. When it comes to the actual transfer of funds, you have two options: a direct rollover or an indirect rollover. A direct rollover is the best way to go, as it moves your money straight from your 401k to your new IRA without you ever touching it. This avoids any unnecessary taxes or penalties. On the other hand, an indirect rollover involves receiving the funds first, and then you have 60 days to deposit them into your IRA. If you miss this window, you could face tax penalties. Once the funds are in your IRA, it's time to decide how to invest them. This is a step where many people get overwhelmed because of all the options available. But here's where you can make a wise choice. For many American retirees, diversifying their retirement savings with a gold IRA is an excellent strategy. Gold IRAs not only help you protect against inflation, but they also provide a safe haven when traditional stocks or bonds experience volatility. If you want to learn more about why so many people are making the switch to gold IRAs, I highly recommend checking out the free guide linked in the description. It's ideal for people with 100K or more in their IRA or 401k, or even those who have 5M plus in savings. Now, once your money is transferred and your investments are set up, make sure to regularly review your portfolio. It's crucial to stay on top of your financial situation, especially as you get closer to retirement. You might want to adjust your investment strategy based on your changing risk tolerance, goals, and market conditions. So to wrap it up, rolling over your 401k into an IRA can be a powerful move to take more control over your retirement, but it's important to make sure you're choosing the right IRA, completing the rollover correctly, and then investing your funds wisely. If you're looking for more information on how to protect your wealth, especially through gold IRAs, don't forget to click the link in the description for that free guide. And if you're a retiree with 100K or more in your IRA, 401k, or even up to 5M plus in savings, this guide will provide invaluable insights to help you protect your financial future. Don't wait. Secure your wealth today.